What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and as you can see from the thumbnail and title, we are once again revisiting iPadOS 16 and this whole gaming situation. And I gotta tell you, it's gotten better. So let's talk about it. Okay, so we've been rocking the beta of iPadOS 16 for the past few weeks. And if you've been here from the beginning, you know that we were looking forward to gaming, full screen, and all that good stuff, and none of that ever happened. Well, over time, we have gotten beta 2, beta 3, and now we are on beta 4. And the gaming has drastically improved. So from the beginning, you would only get this weird kind of portrait landscape mode where it was like all wonky and crazy, right? But now you actually get to see your games in the correct ratio. Now, if Apple could get these to play full screen, that would be perfect. But as for right now, I'll take it like it is, just because there's no longer black bars on the side. You still have the whole desktop look in the back, and it just makes it feel a little more user-friendly, should we say. The fact that there are no black bars and I can play this and kind of imagine myself using this game in full screen is just enough. Now, I will not give Apple a full pass because we're supposed to be getting full screen gaming. So we're still waiting on that. We know that we're still in beta. We know that the official iPadOS 16 will not be available until September, but we can all look forward to it. We're looking for full screen gaming in Apple Arcade, and actually with some of these Apple like App Store games, I'm looking for full screen on them on a monitor. So that's the whole thing about iPadOS 16. It's supposed to give you that computer type feel. Like Samsung has decks that will give you full screen gaming, but Apple has an iPad with an M1 processor that is supposed to be one of the most powerful, and it can't give us the full screen. So hopefully when the official iPadOS 16 drops in September, we get full screen gaming. Matter of fact, Apple, I'm still waiting on the Rumble feature to work with my iPad on the PS5 controller. So when you guys get that fixed, holla at your boy, let me know. So this is what we've been looking forward to. Full screen gaming, we almost are there. We're in the 4th iteration of this beta, so stay calm, everybody. We gotta stay calm. I know I'm a little anxious about it, but every time we get one of these updates to the beta, this whole system gets a little bit better. So I'll be doing videos throughout next week, just kind of letting you know some of the little updates within beta 4, some of the things you can look forward to using, and some of the things I think are good, as well as some of the things that I think are kind of gimmicky and just Apple could have just kept them. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that big thumbs up, and please continue to subscribe. And I'm in the middle of moving my content to another channel, so I'll drop a link below to that channel as well. Just kind of want to get more feedback over there, and I'm going to eventually start putting all my content over there eventually sometime or another when it kind of takes off. So I appreciate all the support. Hopefully I'll see you guys over there, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.